Hello everyone, this is Anya here, and today I'll teach you how to draw the Mitsubishi logo in GIMP. So first we go to File, we create a new document, and we give it as proportion 2000 by 2000 pixels, background color white, and we click OK. Okay, so then the first step is that we are going to add some guides to the document. So horizontal, and then vertical guides. Okay, then we are going to need some more guides. So then we are going to need also some vertical guides. So I will show you how we can do it. So we create a new layer and we call it vertical guides. And we take the path tool and we draw a path from top to the bottom of the guide, the vertical guide. And then we go to edit, stroke path, and then we stroke with a 1 pixel line. Click OK. Okay, and then we duplicate this path because we are going to need 2 vertical guides, and we take the rotate tool. We put the rotation center in the middle, and we rotate one of the guides by minus 30%, minus 30 degrees, I mean, and the second one by 30 degrees. Click OK. Okay, then we are going to need 2 last more guides. So some horizontal guide. So we change the mode of the move tool to pick a layer of guide. So we put 2 more horizontal guide, one at 700 pixel and one at 400 pixel. And that should be it for the guide. And then we can start drawing the figure. So we pick the background color, the foreground color. So the color, the red that you're going to use is going to be this one, E60012, and we click OK. And then we can start drawing the figure. And then we create a new guide and we call it first Rhombus. So Rhombus is this kind of geometric figure. And we take the path tool again. And we draw a path from here, the intersection of the guides. And then click Ctrl and close the path and click Enter. And then go Edit, Fill with foreground color, and then Ctrl-Shift-A to unselect. And then we're going to duplicate this figure twice. And we take the rotate tool again with the rotating center in the middle of the composition. Then we rotate one of the figure by 120 degrees. And the other one by minus 120 degrees. And we click Rotate. Okay, then now once we have it, we can hide the vertical guide. And we can also hide the other guides. So we go to View, Show Guides. So now we don't have the guides anymore and we have the figures. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial. If you did so, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until then, see you next time. Bye.